Hello everyone, welcome back to another video with Joshua's Guitar, and today we're learning how to solo over a blues using the modes. Let's get to it. If you're new to Joshua's Guitar, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the little bell notification right there and select all. That way you don't miss any of my new videos coming up. Thanks for watching. Let's get to the lesson. Okay, so the first thing we're going to cover in this lesson is G minor pentatonic scale and our G major pentatonic scale. So when we're playing over our blues, we can use position 1 of the G minor pentatonic scale, and we also have the major pentatonic scale. I'm using this shape. Oops, sorry. Okay, so when we're playing over our blues, we could just be playing, let's say, minor blues notes. Maybe targeting certain notes when the chords change. Okay, or we could be playing some major stuff. Okay, so that's just the first level right there. So we're going to expand on that idea, and we're going to be taking the minor pentatonic scales from each of the chords. So we're in the key of G today, G blues. Okay, so our first one is going to be the G minor pentatonic scale. And then the next one is going to be our C minor pentatonic scale. And the last one is going to be the D minor pentatonic scale. Okay, so how I'd start using this over blues is we take our progression. We start with the G minor. And now I'm going to move into C minor. And then back to G. Now we're going to D. And then we're going back. So playing the turnarounds. And we're playing basically whatever chord is up. So if we're on a G, but then we go to C. Okay, and then if we go to our D chord, right? Okay, so the next step is we're going to add Dorian scale, or Dorian mode, to our soloing. So what we're going to do is we're going to play over a 1 chord with G minor pentatonic or G major pentatonic. Okay, and then when we get to our 4 chord, we're going to use G minor Dorian scale. Okay, and that's going to sound like this. Okay, so we'll start on our 1 chord. Okay, now we're going. Okay, so now we're getting up to the 5 chord. And so a trick we can do for the 5 chord is just play what we did for our 4 chord. Okay, so we're at the turnaround. 5 chord's gonna be D. And then that's, we're gonna move down to C. So what I would do is I would move up to A minor Dorian. Okay, so there I'm just gonna slide into the 7th fret of the B string. Then 5th fret, high E string. And then 8, 7, 5 on the high E string. And I'm gonna do that same pattern, but I'm gonna move that 2 frets down. So Now we're sliding into the 5th fret on the B string. And again, 6, 5, 3. On that last part, we get to the high E string. Okay, so listen to this turnaround and I'll show you. Okay, so what you heard there was the exact same lick that I showed you. Okay, and then so forth. Over the D chord, and then over the C chord, and then we're back to our G chord. Okay, so the next mode we're going to look at is the Mixolydian mode, and we can play it over all of these chords. I'm going to show you how to play it over our turnaround, and that will give you the shapes to play it over either the G, C, or D chord. Okay, so first shape, we'll do the G chord. Now for the Mixolydian scale, I'm going to leave out the 4th degree. You can add it if you want, but I just tend to leave it out when I play. So for G, start here. So that's a little piece of my G Mixolydian scale, and leaving out the 4th, of course. And then for our, I'll skip to the D Mixolydian scale, which is just going to basically be a G major scale. And for that, I'm just going to use this shape. I'm going to use that shape. And for the C Mixolydian scale, I'm going to use this shape. Which is going to be the same as an F major scale, or F Ionian. Okay, so let's see how that sounds over our turnaround. Okay, so there again, we got to the turnaround, going down the D Mixolydian scale, and then starting up again on the okay, and then now I'm going to the C Mixolydian, and then now we're on to our G chord. Okay, so that's gonna be it for this lesson at Joshua's Guitar. Make sure if you like this video, you leave a like, and if you really enjoyed this video, make sure you comment as well, and don't forget to share this video with everyone you know. And if you like the content here at Joshua's Guitar, consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit the little bell icon and select all so you don't miss when any of my new videos come out. That's going to be it for this lesson. Bye for now.